In this training, we're going to dive into what are records. They are a big part of what makes SmartSuite so powerful, so if that's of interest, stick around and let's get into it. A record in SmartSuite is essentially a piece of information on a list. Let's start by breaking it down and going step by step. First, I'm going to click into a solution. Maybe I'm going to click into my sales CRM here, for example. Inside of my sales CRM solution, I have 4 different applications or apps, and I might want to look at a list of my accounts. That would be app number 1. I might look at my list of contacts, opportunities, sales resources. So you see, I'm using the word list here because effectively, an application inside of SmartSuite is a data set. It's a list of information that lives inside of SmartSuite. Well, a record is simply one element on that list. And you'll notice that I didn't say row because a record isn't always represented as a row. Here, I have all of the different accounts that we have here in my sales CRM, but they're not really presented in rows. I have prospective clients up here, prospective accounts. I can then look at my customers, so I'm working with these 3 customers, and then I have partners here as well. So you'll notice that they aren't necessarily rows, but each one of these pieces of information represents an account, or it's an item on my list. So that is essentially what a record is. If I want to add a new one, the easy way to do that here is to just say add record, and it's going to open up this new record, which again is just another item on my list of accounts. So I might have a new account, and I will just type that in right here. And I can assign other information inside of this account as well. So I could say that the account manager, for example, is myself. The size of the account might be 51 to 100, etc. Fill out all the information that I collect on this item. Remember, it's just an item on my list. That's what a record is. We have a lot of information that we store about each one of these records, but in this case, it's just another account. So when I'm done, save those changes. But here, a new record represents an account. Over here, a new record represents a contact. A new record here represents a new opportunity, etc. I hope this helps make more sense out of records in SmartSuite. If you want to go back and rewatch, I welcome you to do so, and I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions about what we covered in this training, please ask them below in the comments section of this video. And until then, we'll see you in the next training.